Okay, what I was saying in the previous video, I know is that we can add even more things to our presentation. That's what makes it a presentation. And one of it is transition. So let's add transition to our slide. Transition is what happens when we are moving from one slide to another. How we want it to bring the next slide in and so on, which makes it much more attention grabbing and captivating to our audience. So I'll click on this first slide. I'll go to transition. So we have different transition here. You can click on this area to see more of it. So I can see for this first slide, I want it to start like this. So I can say something like this. We have this. Anytime a transition has been added to a slide, on the left hand side, you will see this symbol here, like this kind of star symbol here. Tells you that the transition has been added. So I'll go to the second slide. I will add this transition to it. Let's see effects. Okay, we have this. Then I'll go to the third one. I will add, let's see, this to it. Very good. Then the last one, I will add, let's see, this to it. So we've added transition to our slides. So we're going to go to slideshow, but we need to run our slide to see how it will appear when our users are viewing it. I'll click on from beginning. So we have this. So you press spacebar or enter, it goes to the next slide. So it is animating. You press next, goes to this. We have this. And that's the end of our slide. Very good. That is for transition. Now let's add animation. Transition is just what happens between one slide and another slide. But animation takes it further. It animates the content of every slide, apart from transition, which happens when we are moving from one slide to another. So I'll go to slide 1. I'll click on tournament review. I'll go to animation. So I can see for this one, it should come like this. Then this should float in. Very good, very good. Then we'll go to second slide. Click on first one. Whatever you animate first is what comes in first. So I will say I want to use this. Good. Then I'll come to this. I will choose wheel. Okay, perfect. Then I'll go to the third slide. I want these ones to come before the beginning. Sometimes you can use that as a nice effect. So I'll do something like this. Very good. Then I'll now go to the title of that slide and say I want it to, let's say, bounce. Very good. Then I'll go to the last slide. Click on this. Then I'll tell it to wipe. I have this. I'll show swivel. We have this. So we have our presentation like this. So now let's go to our slideshow and run it again from the beginning. That's what we have. So we have this. Press your spacebar. Press. So as you're going to press your spacebar, enter. It goes to the next slide, next slide, next slide, and next slide. But I'm going to stop this for now because it will take time. I'll press escape. Now let me show you how to rehearse your timing, because it's when you rehearse your timing that your slides will be able to move themselves without you having to control them when to move to the next slide. And that's when you'll be able to turn it to a video too. So I go to my first slide here. Under slideshow, I'll make sure that this use timing is checked, and it's checked already. So let's check by default. If it is not checked, check it. So then go to rehearse timings. So now let's start rehearsing our timing. So you see your time will start counting here. So number of seconds you want each one of them to take the timing when you press your space bar. So press space bar, press space bar, space bar. The time is being recorded. So that first slide is taking up to 13 seconds. Press space bar, press space bar, space bar. And go to the next one. Space bar, space bar, space bar. I have it. I have this. Very good. Very good. Then we have this. Press space bar. Then it's telling us that our slideshow was up to 45 seconds. You want to save it? I'll say yes. So to save it. So if I run it now, it should be able to play itself. So I'm going to end this video here. Then from our next video session, we learn how to convert what you've done here to a video.